What is Microsoft Windows? Microsoft Windows is a graphical operating system made by Microsoft. It was first started in 1985. It uses a GUI, graphical user interface, which means you can use the mouse to click on icon and pictures to tell the computer what to do. It let you see and save files, use software, play games, watch videos, and go on the internet. History of computer, how it is changed, that means evolution of computer. Versions and years. MS-DOS 1937, main changes and its features. MS-DOS 1981, this was the very beginning. It didn't have features, people have to type text command to use it. Windows 1.0 1985, the first versions with graphical interface. It allowed people to use the mouse and run multiple programs at once. Windows 2.0 1987, user could now resize and overlap windows on the screen. It also added keyboard shortcut and introduced Excel and Words. Windows 3.0 1990, this work was faster and better. It added a program manager to open apps and started supporting computer games. Windows 95 1995, a huge change. It introduced the start menu, the taskbar, and was first version to include Internet Explorer. Windows 1998, this versions made the internet and USB devices work better. It also added the Windows Media Player for music and videos. Windows ME 2000, focus on home users. It introduced Windows Movies Makers and Internet Explorer 5.5. Windows XP 2001, one of the most famous versions. It was great for gaming and music but had some security issues early on. Windows Vista 2006, introduced a shiny look like Aero class, better search bar in the start menu. Windows 7 2009, fixed the problems of Vista. It was faster, more stable, and introduced a better taskbar, the bar at the bottom of the screen. Windows Edge 2012, a big change. It removed the traditional start menu and used styles instead to work better on the tablet on the touch screens. Windows 10 2015, budget back the start menu. It introduced Cortana voice assistant and the Edge browser to replace Internet Explorer. Windows 11 2021, the current versions. It has a completely new look for the start menu and the taskbar, better support for the visual desktop, and improved performance for the gamings. Now, key component of Microsoft Windows. My computer. This is like your computer filling cabinet. It is where all your files, folders, the drives, like your hard drives or USB stick are saved. Organized. My document. This is special folder created by Windows. It is default or go to place where the computer automatically suggests saving your personal work like essay or report. The desktop. Third, the desktop. The desktop is your main workspace, just like a physical desk. It is the screen you see when you first turn on the computer. You can keep your most important files shortcuts here, so you can find them quickly. For numbers, icons. Icons are small features that represent a program, a files, or a folders. Instead of typing a command, you just double click the feature to open what you need. 5 numbers, desktop backgrounds. This is the wallpaper or image you see behind everything on your screen. You can change it to any photos or color you like to make the computer look where you want. Start menu. Think of this as main control panel located on the taskbar, usually at the bottom left. It gives you a list of everything on your computer. All apps show a list of every single program installed. Pin app show your favorite apps that you most often, so you don't have to search for them. Basis basis mm, system tools. Power option where you go to sleep, save power, restart or shut down your computer's setting, the place to change how your computer looks and works. File explorer, a digital filing cabinet where you find all saved folders and the files. Search bar and box, a quickly way to find any app's file just by typing its name. Basis tools. Power option, there is this completes helping you navigate. Cortana, a digital assistant you can talk to or type to for a help. Minimize maximum close. Minimize hides the windows but keep it running. Maximum makes the windows fill the whole screen. Close turn the program off completely. Cleaning and managing. Recycle bin, this is your digital trash can. If you delete something by mistake, you can get it back from here. Pro tips: if you press shift plus delete, the file is gone forever. The doesn't go to the bin. Control panels, the engine room where you manage hardware like printer and software installing removilas. Virtual keyboard, this let you have several workspace often at once. It is like having 2 or 3 desks to work on, so your screen does not get too messy. Some important keys: run Windows plus R. Open the run dialog box. Delete forever. Shift plus delete. That means delete files without using recycle spin. The bar on your screen. Taskbar. The bar, the long bar at the very bottom of your screen. It shows which app are opens. Hold the start buttons. Notification area on the button right, it shows small icon for things like Wi-Fi, battery and volume. Section center, also the right, this is where computers send you message or alert. Status bar, the bars at very top of windows. It tells you the name of files or app you are using. Scroll bar, the bar on the right or button that you click and the drags move up, down or across space. Menu bar, a row bar at the top of that give you different options. Status bar, a thin bar at the bottom of Windows that give extra detail like how many words are in the document or the size. File and extension. File A file is just a container for information. It could be a photo, a letter you wrote, a song. In Windows, a file usually look like titles, icons. File extension. This is short code at the end of a file name that tell the computer what kind of file it is. Always come after dot. Example, in a file homework dot text, the text is the extension. It tell computer this is a text document. Common file extension: txt, a simple text file; docs, a Microsoft Word document; xlx, a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet; pptx, a PowerPoint presentation; jpg, a photo or small image; mp3, a a music or audio file; mp4, a video files; pdf, a document that look like same on any device; advanced readers; zip, a zip file that contains many files compressed into one. Windows accessories. These are the help apps that come already installed on the Windows computers. Calculator, used for math, and a simple tools for drawing and editing features. Wattpad and Notepad, used for typing notes. Notepad is very simple text, while Wattpad allows the some basic styles. Snipping, use to take screenshot, sticky notes, digital versions of paper post-it note for quick reminders. Windows Media Players used to play music and watch video, narrating and magnifier accessibility. Narrating did text out loud for the blinds and magnifier zoom in on a screen for those who travel to sing in small text. Mail and calendar used to send mail and schedule of your appointment in the event. System tool for managing your computer PC. This command help you look under the hood of your computer. CMD open the command prompt. Black window where you type text command. Task mgr open the task manager useful if a program freezes and you need to force it to close. Control panels open the main setting area of your computer. Clean mgr open the disk. Clean up internet connection. Chrome I export quickly open your web browser. Firewall.cpl open your security setting to check if your internet connection is safe. ncpa.cpl open your network connection. Use if your Wi-Fi is not working. Office and Dell apps. Instead of searching the start menu, you will just type this int word. That means open Microsoft window. Excel open Microsoft Excel. Power PNT open Microsoft PowerPoint. Not right open simple tools for typing notes. CL calc entirely open calculator. File and folder. Explorer open your file folder. Downloader takes you straight to the folder where your internet download are saved. Open folder pull up temporary trash file that delay speed of machine. Windows shortcut keys. Control plus S select all. Control plus C copy. Control plus X cut. Control plus V paste. Control plus Z Windows. Control plus Y redo. Control plus Shift plus N new folder. L plus F4 close. CTRL plus D delete. Shift plus delete permanent delete. ESC escape. Alt plus tab switch. Windows key start. F1 helper remains. Control plus shift